In this video, I'm going to focus on the standard units that we use in physics. The idea is that you shout out the answers as we go so that the video is an active participation event. So the idea is that I give you all the different things that could be measured in this standard unit and you shout out the standard unit. Through the video, I'm going to be using the slides I've prepared to revise also the letters that we use to abbreviate in physics as we go along too. So you've had quite a long look at the first one. Are you ready? What is the standard unit that these are measured in? Here's the answer. Did you get it right? What is this measured in as a standard unit? Did you get that one right? Both of these are measured in which standard unit? I hope that you got that one right. Okay, how about this one? Now remember, the letter I is used to represent the word current for us lazy physicists that can't be bothered to write out the whole word. But what unit is current measured in? I hope that you're doing well and feeling confident about knowing your standard units. Let's try one more, and that will finish all of the base SI units. Okay, so for the last base SI unit, what is the standard unit in which we measure temperature? Did that one catch any of you out? Next, it's time for the derived SI units. These are all of the SI units you need for Edexcel GCSE Physics as described in appendix 3 of the syllabus. I've covered them all. Let's get cracking with this first one then. What's it measured in? Did you get that one right? All of the forces get measured in this standard unit. What is it? I hope you honoured Sir Isaac by getting this one right. All those different forms of energy, they're all measured in the same unit, which is... Yes, that's right. Another one correct. Are you wondering what this one is measured in? Yes, that's right. The watt, of course. This one will get us halfway through those derived SI units. So what's pressure measured in? The standard unit for pressure, that's right. So, represented by the letter Q, charge, what unit is charge measured in though? That one's always been a popular one in exams, so make sure you remember that charge is measured in coulombs. Another one to try here. And I hope that one didn't pose you too much of a problem. And the penultimate quantity from appendix 3 is resistance. What's the standard unit here? I hope your score is mounting up and you're starting to feel a bit more confident, but the last one's a trickier one. So this, according to appendix 3, is the last derived unit for your GCSE. What is magnetic flux density measured in as a standard unit? That's the 14th example. What score did you get out of 14? Did you get them all right? For those of you that did get 14 out of 14, I have a little extra challenge for you in a moment. If you didn't get 14 yet, then it's worth going back and trying again until you can do all 14 with confidence. Good luck! So my starting point for this video was the base SI units, and then the derived SI units from Appendix 3 of your syllabus. But if you look through the whole scheme, there are other units too. So for this extension part, what I'm going to do this time is give you the units, and you're working out what is measured in that as a standard unit. We're doing it the other way round to finish, just so that we've covered everything you could possibly see in your GCSE Edexcel physics exam. Good luck! What can be measured in metres per second? Remember, there is a difference between average and instantaneous too. Come on then, this is an easy one, surely. Yes, of course, and it would include the acceleration due to gravity as well. Okay, think hard on this one then. Did you get that one right? If so, well done, because sometimes that one sneaks into the exam for 1.2. Now, you had a clue to this one a minute ago, so think. Well done if you got that one right. The last one for paper 1. What gets measured in the becquerel? Did you get that one right? Great. Well, let's just try a few more for paper 2. Watch this one. There's no per here. That's right, it's the turning forces unit. There's not many left now, so how about this one? Well done if you got density correct. Let's try another one. You may say this one's too easy, but I want to include everything. Another one checked off the list. How about this one then? Either of these units would work. The specific heat capacity for when things get warmer or cooler but stay in the same state. This is your penultimate challenge. It might be a bit obvious with the one that we've just had as the last example, but we're nearly there. Well done if you got it right, the one all to do with changing state and energy. And here's the final one. Did you finish on a high by getting the last one right? If so, well done. So that concludes our revision of the 25 different standard units that you might come across in GCSE Physics. I hope you found it useful and it helps you build your confidence in using those standard units in the exams.
Because regular review gets a better grade for you.
Don't forget to
Like,
so that I can keep making the videos.
comment,
Especially to request other revision topics.
subscribe.
So you can get notifications of when my next video gets uploaded.